Durant, what are you doing in a relationship that I've been in for a whole year? Where have you been all this time, Carl? Carl, where have you been? That's what I'm asking you. Where have you been? You just come around with the other day, and just because you couldn't pay back the money for the show when I'm do for you for free, and you haven't do a PR. What you mean? Una been doing moves? Una go over social media all over tell like for me. Say una catch me in a house with man called Durant. Or was you there? Was you there?
The career just done, I hear.
My career just done. Carl Durant, my career just done.
Your career park. Me tell you that. That's done. It's done right there.
What you want to do with me and my... So,
Bye.
okay. You hear this? Show the cameras want to say, man, wanna say me carry money in the house as on the strategy for bus back up just because wanna say, just because you say Tanto blocks. I go out with things for social media and draw craft for me and about me carrying money in the house just to make back thing go up back. I come to prove myself because what me do all this time is be loyal to this nigga, and you wasn't there. You wasn't there all to hide all of the things that we do on road to people. I may have to hide all these things. I may have to come up with strategies over and over just to make him look good. Were you there when I have sleepless nights? Were you there when time back bus and couldn't believe same bus? Where were you? This man I used to boy more sign me and help me and boy more turn my manager. And then run me and turn hypocrite round me and dead of the man I tell like I'm saying come catch man in a house. When time him never did that. Yes, people, so I have buy 2 bed, 2 everything. I take my bed when I work hard for and buy out of my pocket. When Gullibop was in America, showing off with his hot girlfriends. Yes. So I buy myself 1 bed and I care for my 1 bed and my clothes. And that's it. I'm a little 1 star and I'm a carry my puppy, my best friend.